Okay, guys. Now, I wasn't talking about stripping off your clothes and playing completely naked. I mean, it ain't going to help your golf game. The normal unit looks like this. And, well, when you put my screen on, it looks like this. And I'd like to say it looks BeFugly. Yeah. And most of y'all understand what that means. And yeah, it is. It BeFugly. But the thing is, it works better. It doesn't have as much trouble with lighting. And this here could take a hit from a golf ball where you can hit it with a hammer. Because I got a polycarbonate screen to protect it, I don't need the cover. Well, until I bring my buddy out to play or somebody comes to play that where their golf game might be what you call questionable. And then you better put the little cover on top. So, yeah, but the idea is this makes it clean. It works good. This one here breaks. If you hit it, it's going to break. And when it breaks, it might break the insides. This one, you don't break, and it won't get to the stuff inside of it. But so you can run it a little naked, as I call it, and take care of it. And then you can put it right here in your machine. This is my base I make. It's got the leveling legs, place to put your laser in the sides, slot right here, go in. You slide it right in the base, push it in, it fits nice and tight. I mean, it's in there. Now, that's what it looks like. Cover snaps on like that. Now, when I designed this cover, the idea was if a ball goes and hits it, like, you see how that just let loose and look, see how it's moving? It took the tension of me smacking it and let it go. It didn't transfer it to that unit. It rattled it all around, let it go. Snap it back on, ready to go. And it's on there pretty darn good. You can break one, but its job ain't not to get broke. Its job is to protect this. So that's what it's doing. Buttons here, turn it on and off, leveling feet, everything's ready to go. The $69 special is in my hand with a screen, a cover, a base, the leveling feet, ready to go. Everything just like that, 69. So just bring it over, put your power cord into it so you keep it charged up. It still fits in the base. I call it running naked because, well, it's got nothing on it, but it's also a polycarbonate screen on it, protected. Okay, guys, I have my system set up to where when I want to hit a ball from right here on this mat, my unit sits about right there. But if I want to putt and I want to move right over here on a nice smooth surface, I just move it to right there like that, and then I'm in the putting position. That gives you an option to move around. So that's my slider system to use with this if you want one of those. And the left-handed or right-handed. Right-handed, you put it over here. If you're left-handed, pick it up and move it over there. Now, here's where your problem comes in. If the floor is flat, just mark the floor, pick it up, and move it. But if the floor slopes like this garage does, like this, well, you better build you up a little base over there so it can slope back from what you've adjusted here to get it to work over there. Okay. For $69, you're going to get a BeFugly screen to put in your square golf. You're going to get a cover to put over it when your friends come over that don't play that well. You're going to get a base to put under it to level it and adjust it and laser line it and put it in where you want it to go. So it's all included. Now, do me a favor. If you want one, frugalfixerspike.com, $69, and you'll see it listed as the BeFugly special. By just a screen, if that's all you want, just add a screen if you already got the other stuff. The sliders are available. I sell them as a complete kit with oak parts, wooden parts, finished, complete. All you do is put it down on the floor, put your machine in it, and you're ready to go. $99 is what it takes to get one of the slider bases. Okay, guys, just strip it down and go BeFugly. Yeah, play naked if you want to. I don't care. Play Jonathan Simulator and have fun. At my age, nobody wants to watch me play naked, that's for sure. Still button there for the subscribe thing and the like and all that. I never asked y'all to do that. And most of you probably don't watch this much of a video to see it. But hey, thank you for all being here. And if you need one, get in touch. frugalfixerspike.com. If you got any questions when you go to the site, there's a box there to chat me a message to or whatever. And if that don't work, frugalfixerspike@gmail.com will get to me anytime. So let me know if you need anything or got any questions about anything I can help you with, okay? Let's get one of these working for everybody. And I'm hoping a new special is going to save some people that anguish you get when you break the whole thing to pieces when the screen goes dead. I've got probably 15 pictures of people that broke them, and some of them broke the first day. And yeah, it happened. It happened to a lot of people. So do me a favor, guys. Get in touch if I can help you out. Get in touch if you need one. If you got questions about any of my products, let me know. I've been down a little bit, haven't been playing much golf. I've been a little busy working on a CNC machine because, well, the doctor told me not to play golf for a little while, so I had to stop. And so now I'm back and I'm going to start playing a little bit of par three and stuff like that. So I'll be back on playing a little golf here real soon. And also going to be working out there on that new CNC because I got a guitar I'm building. So yeah, got a lot going on in the old life right now. But y'all get in touch and take care. And you know what I enjoy most about this? All you people that I've got to meet, all those people I've had as customers, and all the nice folks that have said all the nice things, and my wife for doing all she does to help make all this work. When I'm not feeling that great, I just get parts together and she makes sure y'all get them shipped. And that's kind of where it's been working. She does the shipping and I do the making everything. So we'll just keep doing that. Y'all just let us know if you need anything, okay? Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time, okay? Later on. Oh, yeah. And don't forget, go BeFugly. Play naked. See you later.